Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And thank you so much for stopping by and watching my videos and leaving me comments. It really means so much to me. And today I am going to show you my October, had to think about that for a minute, October 2020 Allure box. As you all know, this is the first box of the new price. Of course, I did, as you all probably remember, I did lock in my year, was it last month, so that I could continue getting them, and so they actually end up being less than 15 if you do it for the year. So I'm not going to be upset about the box because y'all, if you've seen the video, I got the huge red box of lots of free goodies that, you know, some of y'all are going to be getting some of the things, or someone will be getting some of the things in there. And let's see if they went up to 23, so let's see if it is going to be worth the $23, or if they bummed out on their first box at this price. Let me get my calculator up here. Let's see. So if you notice, they did use a new box. I just noticed that usually they use, usually they use the white box that you can save, you know, it has the top on it. This one comes like this, no white box in it anymore, the little booklet. So, I mean, these aren't really good boxes to save. I mean, not that I care, because I have enough boxes that I don't really need to save one. So here is the book. There's always a book with some pretty woman on the front, or at least anytime I've paid attention, there's always been a pretty woman on the front. And there's some kind of coupon on the back for the fig. I got this fig stuff, I think it was in the box 2 or 3 months ago, was a spray, leave-in spray. That is a, yeah, is it a shampoo and conditioner? I'll have to look into that, because I like the spray that came with the, I'm thinking it was in the box, the Fashion Stuff box. So the first thing we got that is actually of value is the Fresh Vitamin C. This retails for $70. Let's put that in here. And let's see what it says. I have tested dozens, if not hundreds, of serums, and many are too heavy for my skin, which often breaks out if I go beyond my usual moisturizer and eye cream routine. But the new Topical C has changed the game. It's a powder that you mix into your other skincare products or even water, and it lets me easily incorporate vitamin C into my regimen without adding weight. It's in the skincare equivalent of those expensive boosts advertised on smoothie shop menus. I add a few shakes of this powder to a gel moisturizer and get skin that looks a whole lot brighter without any breakouts. Again, this retails for $70. And if you don't know, I've read this about powder before, that powder is actually a really good thing because, and it's completely full, if you can see, it is all the way to the top, because once it's in a cream, it doesn't keep its potency for a long time. But if it's in a powder before and you haven't mixed it, from what I've read, it can last a really long time, because as long as it's in the powder form, and you know, you keep it, I would say, in a dark place. And it is, I mean, it is in a somewhat dark top bottle. So I have read that as long as it's in a powder form, it doesn't lose its potency until it's been mixed. So from what I had read, the powders are the way to go when possible. I have used some powder, not this brand, but a different brand, so I am glad to get that. I think that is the big thing. No, there's another one in here, the Versa Super Eye Serum. This retails for $65, so there's two big items there. Let's see, and it's a good size. I guess, is this considered full size? I would think so, because eye creams and eye serums tend to be small, on the small side, because eye creams, you know, it doesn't take much. And this has retinol 8, 5 versus skincare. Let's see. If you're the type of person who remembers to use eye cream every day, you're probably also a pro at keeping plants alive. There's no excuse for my perpetually wilted ficus, but the reason I rarely use eye cream is because 95% of the ones I've tried make my eyes water, create little bumps around the lids, or fail to deliver noticeable benefits. But Versa Super Eye Serum is among the rarefied 5%. The lightweight texture doesn't irritate my eyes, even with retinol as a star ingredient, and the applicator enables me to apply a pen-sized dot of product, which I pat with my ring finger directly on my under eyes. After using this serum nightly for about 2 weeks, my dark circles were less purple and my under eye bags were less puffy. Okay, y'all know I've mentioned before that I really hate my under eye. I haven't been sleeping good in several months, and it really shows. Again, this retails for $65. And then we got La Roche Extra Dry Skin, Body and Face. It's an eczema. And let's go find that. And this is, of course, a sample. It has to be it. It's really small. And you all know, I think it was, they promised that they would start doing 3 full size, if not more. There's 2 full size. So, oh, there is a native, okay. This is 0.5 full ounces, and it is, like I said, it says for dry skin. The full size of that is 400 milliliters, and that it would be $19.99. And it does have the, I might try it, because that's a, I like the pump bottles like that, and see if I like that. Maybe, let's see, I'm going to try it on my hands, and because that's one of the places that, because your hands are always in water, and then we're having to use sanitizer and stuff so much that it keeps my hands dry, and I don't like that. So I might try that and see if I like it. And then the next thing is this cute little pink nail polish, and y'all know I love nail polish and keeping nails pretty. This is, let's see, $16, so that I'm assuming is a full size. So those are 3 full size there. Okay, that is Static Nails Liquid Glass Lacquer and Irene. So I don't see, I can't figure out the price of that, because it is, I mean, I could, but I'm not going to keep y'all on here long enough. So the 3 full size items equal $151. Okay, so that's a pretty good thing. But then we got some more stuff here too. Let's see, I got the Sigma liquid lipstick, and let's see what color we got. Oh, that looks like it'd be pretty in the color Venom. The full size of this is 20. So let's see what color this is. Look how pretty that looks. I don't know that I've ever used a Sigma lipstick. I can't recall ever using a Sigma lipstick. Look how pretty. Yeah, I can't recall ever using, I love their brushes. Look at that. Let's see, but I don't recall. Yeah, I didn't. Oh, look how pretty. I'm going to have to try that soon. Yeah, I like that. I already have stuff on my lips, or I would use this. So, got that. And then, oh, there's another thing down in here. Dr. Jart Ceramidin Cream. Let's see what that is. Let's see, the full size of this is 48. It says, when I was working my first beauty job, I thought moisturizers were just supposed to hydrate, but I was wrong. They also make sure your face retains as much existing moisture as possible. The ceramidin lines, if I don't know if that's how you say that, but it looks like that to me, uses a blend of ceramides, fat, juicy molecules that act like glue between skin cells, so precious moisture can't escape. The cream also has botanical extracts like artichoke, which smooths fine lines, turmeric, which is antibacterial. It spreads like butter and creates a lightweight barrier. I like to think of it as the saran wrap of my skin routine when moisture gets trapped in for the day ahead. In the retail, the full size of this, and that's a good enough size to see if you like it. It is 0.33 full ounces. I don't see where it says how much a full size would be. I think it says 1 full ounce. The writing is so tiny trying to read. I was trying to read the writing on the picture here. But it says the full size is 48. And then, oh, there's 2 more things in here. Okay. Then I got this fig, the native fig I was talking about on the back that I had used the leave-in treatment and I liked it. So this is a sample of the shampoo and conditioner, and there's enough in here for, I've got long hair, so I'd say maybe 2 times on my hair, so enough to see if I like it. And then I got this hydrating collagen eye pad. And I love these kind of things. I try to put one of these on my eyes every morning because I really don't like my under eye bags, and I'm trying to see if I do that, one of those every morning, if it'll brighten my eyes up some. So 5 of these retail for $18. It's a European skincare hydration booster for the eye contour area. Okay, so I can't figure out these. I mean, I could, but it would take some time to figure out how much they would cost for the full size and how much we got. So I'm sure y'all don't really care that much about the samples. So the sample things I got was the shampoo and conditioner, the one thing of the iPad, and then the Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream, and the Dr. Jart Ceramidin Cream, and the Sigma Liquid Lipstick. So these, oh, wow, I dropped that, I have to get it. So there were 5 sample things. I mean, that to me, I think that was pretty good, considering we got, this was retailed for $70 and this retailed for $65, and then the nail polish. So we got 5 samples or deluxe samples plus $151 in full-size items. I know a lot of people were saying they're really not happy with this month's box, but I'm not really that unhappy. I don't know that I would be that unhappy if I paid $23 for it. It is their first month doing this, so I'm hoping they do get better, but I look forward to seeing how they improve. And I mean, I like the eye cream, and I like the vitamin C powder, but like I said, I did lock it in, so I only paid like $14 and something for the box, so I think it's a great box for that. So there is that. I love you guys. I will see you soon. Bye bye.